For figure number 4, we have a two-weight na pa-downward and pa-upward in triangular form, triangular shape. First, we have to find the summation of the x and y component. But since iisa naman yung fx, magsisiro siya. So, compute muna natin yung fy. For the summation of fy, is equals to 0, where upward is equals to downward. Fy has 1/2 ng W. Tapos yung length niya is i-divide natin sa 2 since nandito siya, kalahati. And ganun din dun sa kabilang side. So, simplify lang natin yung equation. And by simplifying, makukuha natin. So, i-move natin to dahil hinahanap natin yung fy. 3OL 4 minus WO times L over 4. Kaya ang makukuha nating fy is equals to 0. Hindi naman tayo sa moment. Let's solve for the moment. Summation of moment f is equals to 0, where clockwise is equals to counterclockwise, and f plus 1/2 L times distance 2/3 ng length is equals to 1/2 of W L over 2, then L minus 2 over 3 times L over 2. Isi-simplify lang ulit natin tong equation. And makukuha natin is F plus WO L squared over 12. Dahil pag times natin ito, over 12 yung makukuha natin. Masisimplify natin siya as 12. And simplify itong side naman na ito, ang makukuha dyan ay WO L 2 over 6. Yan. I-move lang natin ito dito. And pagiging up. Minus. Simplify. Ang magiging sagot ay WO L squared over 12. So, from this free body diagram, ikakat natin siya into half. So, magkakaroon tayo ng left side and then yung right side. So, idodraw ko muna yung left side. Ito na yung free body diagram ng left side. Nakinat siya sa left side. Where 0 is greater than x. X is 0 is less than x, and then x is less than L over length over 2. Meron tayong y, and then ito yung x component. Tayong y dun sa kinat, dinote natin siya as y, and then yung isa pang cut ay denoted as x. So, if i-ano siya sa diagram kanina, dito siya equal. So, simplify natin to para makuha natin ang y. So, y is equals to times mo x over yan. Then, masisimplify pa natin to. So, magiging dito na natin lagay. Magiging y is equals to 2w x over L. If isosolve na natin ang kanyang bending shear equation. For bending shear equation, mag-summation muna tayo ng Fy. Downward is equals to upward. So, ang downward natin, meron tayong V. Yes. Itong ating Y. Ito yung Y natin. 1/2 to W. And tapos natin sa x is equals to 0. Therefore, if isi-simplify na natin siya, siya ay magiging negative W O times x squared over length. Yung L. I-solve naman natin yung bending moment equation. For bending moment equation, magsa-summation tayo ng moment. Counterclockwise equals to clockwise. Kaya yung n plus 1/2 yung ating y times sa results na 1/3 x is equals to 0. And then, simplify lang din natin ang bending moment equation natin ay magiging m is equals to minus w o x cubed over 3 L. Ayan. Then, for bending shear naman, yan, left side pa lang to. Solve na natin ang bending shear ng left side. Sunod ay yung bending shear naman for right side. Pero bago natin siya ilagay, ay nag-draw muna tayo ng for the cut ng right side. So, ito ay buburhin. Ganyan. Draw muna natin yung cut side. Cut ng right side where L over 2 is less than X and then less than L. So, draw muna natin siya. So, ito ang ating diagram for cut in the right side. So, ang kaibahan dito, meron tayong moment dito sa kinat natin sa left side. And then, since ito pa downward, gagawin natin siyang upward dito sa kabila. And then, yung overall length minus yung length na X. Dinote natin na X. So, alamahan natin yung Y dito. Ang F natin ay equal sa U over 12. And then yung Y is equals to and then if simplify natin ito, magiging 1 or Y yan. Then gawin na natin yung bending shear equation for the right side. Same lang din sa una. So, mention muna tayo ng all components. F. N minus X equals to 0. For V plus 0, which is kasi 0 yung Fy. Then, W square over equals to 0. So, simplify pa natin to. Makakukuha naman natin ang P equals to 3. So, lilipat siya para makuha natin ang value ng shear o ang equation ng shear. Ayan ang equation ng shear. Then, need naman natin ay ang bending moment equation. For bending moment equation, equation. Ganun lang din. Magsa-summation tayo na moment. Tayo M plus MF for the counterclockwise and for clockwise. We have and then 1/3 summation and then simplify. Square. So, ito ang ating bending moment equation for the right side. Now, let's solve for the bending shear. For bending shear, left side, ito yung condition sa left side, at x is equals to 0 muna tayo. Yung equation natin dito sa shear ng left side is negative w x squared over n, then substitute where b is equals to 0. Then at ano naman, at ang condition na isa natin ay L, x is equals to L over 2, where ang equation natin ay ito pa rin. Then isa-substitute na natin ng values. Squared over L, then V is equals to over 5 over 5. So, magiging answer for shear is negative over 4. Then, yung right side naman. Right side, ito ba? Right side, ang condition dito ay L over 2 x. Ayan. Ang equation ng ay ang shear ay B is to negative W O L minus X squared. Substitute natin ang values. Giving is equals to negative WL squared over 4 L. So, WL over 4. And then yung at ano naman natin, at x is equals to L, magiging V is equals to L squared. So, yung V natin is magiging V squared over L, or magiging 0. So, yung i-check natin siya by checking. Meron tayong V at x is equals to L plus By na 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. So, ano yung nakuha natin? And then, for bending moment naman, for bending moment sa left side, muna ulit. For bending moment, left side. Ganun pa rin yung condition. Where ang equation natin dito is this one. So, at ano muna tayo? At 0. And is equals to negative W C cube over 3L and is equals to 0. Yan. And then, doon naman tayo sa at L over 2. Ang x. Where yung n? So, negative WO L over 2 cube over 3L. M is equals to simplify lang natin. Ang makukuha natin value ng M ay negative WO squared over 24. For the right side naman, siya. Bending moment natin sa right side ay for the right side we have this condition ulit, and ito yung nakuha natin moment manipulation na for the right side over 12. So, una, ang x daw ay L over 2 where M is equals to simplify lang natin to. Substitute na natin ang value ng x or simplify na siya. Cancel ito. Magiging ito. Ito magiging m 24 minus w. Simplify natin to. Ang nakukuha ng sagot ay m 24. So, at yung isang condition, yung x is equals to l. So, substitute lang natin dun sa equation. Na nakuha natin l minus l. Simplify. Zero. Ngayon, for checking, and x, okay, nakuha natin f. So, negative wo squared minus 12 plus wo squared minus 12 nagsi-0. This one is right. Ngayon, madidraw na natin ang shear moment diagram. For the shear moment diagram, since ang nakuha natin ay negative para sa so 0, this one is also 0. Since ang pinaka ano natin ay shear ang ating ay pababa. So, ito yung gitna. Ganito ang maging itsura na here. Ayan. For moment naman, this from 0, meron tayong let's say ito ang negative L squared over 12. So, since negative, pababa ulit. Nalaya nito. Lumalik siya sa 0. Ito ay pababa. Pababa din siya. Lagi yung tuwid. Ayan. Ang ating yan. Shear moment diagram. Ito na natin.